Hello guys, hello. Dahil sa na-depress tayo at saka sinipa tayo ni Lolo. Kain tayo ng noodles. Ito yung this is I'm gonna make it. This is what I'm gonna use as a broth to make my instant noodles. Ito, Korean instant noodles. So, ito yung gagamitin natin sabaw for the broth. This is what we're gonna use. So, yan siya, beef broth. Siyang para lang siyang beef bone broth. Ganon soup. So, we'll see. Tingnan natin kung ano ang maging resulta. Masarap daw ito eh. Yan guys, kumulo na. Ilalagay muna natin dyan ang noodles. And then, naglagay din ako ng frozen pizza dito. Kasi today is a junk food day. Ayan. We'll put our oven to 400. Yan. Ito naman. We're gonna put this here. Seasoning. Ayan. What I'm gonna eat. Ayan. Sa kanila pizza. Alright. Tayo na natin maluto yan. Bone broth. Ayan. Malapit na siyang maluto. And then, so gonna put some lettuce here. Kasi gusto ko yung may gulay. Some lettuce. Gulay. Ayan. Wala. Tapos na yan. Yan na. That's it. Kainin na yan. Diba? That's it. Luto na. Kainin na natin to.